So we have holiday leftovers and we're going to make Carbo-Alfredo whatever. Tara! So I have the chicken marinated with the pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion, put it on the flour with seasoning. And then after that, I'm going to fry the chicken until golden brown. Now let's cut the onions. A lot of onions. I love onions, white onions. And then after cutting the onions, please prepare the bell pepper. So I'm loving the green bell pepper as well. So here's the green bell pepper, cut it into cubes. And then after the bell pepper, put it aside and have some garlic. Now saute the onion, garlic, and bell pepper. And mix it until golden brown. Put some seasoning and then like Maggi magic syrup, a little bit of salt. It depends upon you. What kind of taste do you like? Then I'm gonna add the carbonara sauce. It's Clara Olay. And then I'm going to add another carbonara sauce, and it's Del Monte. And I'm loving it. After that, okay, then I'm going to add all-purpose cream and Alpine. I'm loving this one. And then we're going to mix and close it. Oh wow. And then taste it. And I'm going to use Barilla pasta, cook it for 9 minutes. Okay, and then once cooked, put it aside. Okay, now we're going to serve the pasta. Oh wow, so I'm gonna put one and then another one because it's really tasty. I love cooking this one. It's perfectly cooked. And then I'm gonna put it aside. And now I'm going to put this sauce. So I'm loving the sauce. It's really tasty. Tasty sauce. Wow, with some cheese on it. And then I'm gonna put the chicken breast and don't forget the parsley. Now I'm going to eat it. Okay. It's really like a vlog. Oh wow, tasty. Awesome. Wow. Boom. So don't forget to follow me on my YouTube, Jaholiadok, Instagram, Jaholiadok, Twitter, Jaholiadok. Love y'all.